this is Will Smith, and this is right here Will Smith with a face swap of Kevin Hart. This is Obama, and this is my face with Obama. You might not know my face, but this is my own face swapped with Obama. And this right here is Elon Musk, and as you can see, his face is being swapped with Donald Trump. And this is the popular guy from Squid Games, and this is my face swapped with this particular guy. And all of this is being done in a click of a button with an amazing AI tool. And that is what I'll be showing you guys how to do in this video. So if you want to learn how to do this, ensure you already subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and let's go. So as we all know, AI is taking the world with storm. A lot of AI tools has been launched in just the recent years, and they are mind-blowing. A lot of people know about ChatGPT and all of that, but the one I'll be showing you in this video is to show you how to swap your face with anybody in the world. And this is so simple. This video is for ethical purpose, so ensure you are using this for something that is ethical. So how do we do this? Just go over to your browser and search for this website called remaker.ai, as you can see right here. Then just visit this website. This is the website that will help you swap your face with anybody's face. So if you get to see this website has a lot of cool features that you can explore, but the one we'll be using is the face swap. And how do you go to that face swap? Just come to this point that says AI tools and come to this one that says face swap. Just click on it. So right here is where you can do the face swap. So if you look at right here, this is where you upload the original image and then you upload the target face right here. Now as you can see, this is Superman, and this guy face was swapped with Superman, and you can do it for any image. So right here we are going to drop the original image, and here we are going to put the target image. The original image we intend to use right here is that of Will Smith. So as you can see right here, I've added this image of Will Smith right here. Then the target face will be Kevin Hart. So once you have uploaded the image, all you just have to do is to click on this point that says swap. So one thing you should know is that this website gives you free credit that you can use to swap. And for each swap that you do, it costs you 1 credit. And they give you about 30 free credit, which is equal to 30 swaps. As you can see right here, I have 18 swaps remaining. I just click on swap and it just load just like this. You give it some time and it will generate your face swap. Amazing. So can you see now Kevin Hart face has been swapped with Will Smith face, just as you can see, in just 1 click. So you can use this. Let's say you have a project or you have something you just want to swap face for. This is going to swap that face in just 1 second. So this website called remaker.ai helps you do this. There are other websites that does this, but I love remaker.ai because it gives you quality images. Some other website they give you low quality images, but with remaker.io you have high quality images, and you can even upscale this image if you like make it more quality. Now you look at the quality of this, as you can see right here. If I click on upscale, so I'm going to give it a little bit of time. As you can see, I'll just click on upscale right here, and it's going to give me a much more crispy version of that image. So can you see, this is before, this is how it looks, and if you look at it right here, it's more sharp. So I'll just click on download and then I'll open it up so you get to see. Can you see how sharp this image is? So this is what you can do with remaker.ai. They have other AI tools that you can get to explore. I'll probably explore some of them and I'll drop videos on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, ensure you already subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. I will drop in more videos on how you can leverage on AI for the new economy. So see you on the next video.